Class, the next pocket that we are going to do is accordion pocket. Alright, so basically I have this template for you guys as well, mentioning accordion pocket. Alright, and it has all the description, 2 cm seam allowance. This is the top of the pocket, this is the bottom, the left and the right. Okay, so for the left and the right there's 1.5 cm seam allowance, and these are all the fold lines. Alright, okay, and then for the top is 2 cm seam allowance, so you'll be folding twice, 1 cm and then another 1 cm. Okay, and here is folding of 1 cm and seam allowance of 1 cm, and the rest is folding line. Okay, so cut this into a fabric. So I've already cut it on the fabric, and I also trace all the lines that I have here onto my fabric. Okay, so now wherever that they mention that I have to fold, I will fold. Okay, so I have an A4 size as well, so later I'll put this accordion pocket onto the A4 size fabric. Okay, let me do demonstration on the sewing of the accordion pocket. Okay, let's begin with folding the top part 2 cm, so it means 1 cm 1 cm. Alright, so let me show you guys. I'm gonna fold 1 cm. Alright, I'm gonna fold 1 cm while ironing. Okay, one cm. Okay, once I have my 1 cm, okay, I fold another 1 cm. Okay, fold, iron. Okay, and then I have to do the top stitch of 0.1 cm. Okay, see, I folded towards the back, correct? So just now I folded twice. Okay, folded the 1 cm twice, and then I have to do the top stitch. Alright, let me go do the top stitch, then I will come and fold the rest. Okay, so basically I have it under my machine now. Okay, I'm gonna start sewing. Is it like too bright? Let me lower the brightness. Okay, drop the foot. Remember to always do reverse stitch. Okay, so I have the top part. Okay, now once we've done the top stitch, okay, threads, extra threads, remember to chop it off. Okay, and then once you're done with all this, let's do the folding. Okay, basically this is the seam allowance 1 cm that needs to be folded in. Alright, so I'm just going to iron this. Okay, alright, so once I'm done with this, okay, I know that's the seam allowance, and the next fold line is going to be this one. Okay, accordion you know, so one going to be folded out, in, out. Okay, I'm gonna let me sew this. Let me iron it up first. Okay, alright, once you're done, okay, because I think it's until here only, so once we are done on left side, we can go to the right side. Okay, so let's fold it in. This is the seam allowance of 1 cm. Alright, okay, once you're done, then we know our next folding will be this is folding in and this was folding out, so I'm going to fold this out like this. Okay, I'm going to fold it like this. Okay, now the left and right side is done. Now I'm going to do for the bottom one. For the bottom one, it's going to be folded in. All right, let me open this up for a while. It's going to be folded in. I think there was supposed to be another line there. Yes, I'm missing one line. Okay, never mind. I will add the line. Okay, so I need another line that is 1 cm. So I draw another line. Okay, so I'm gonna fold it in. If you see the handout, the reference, the pattern piece that I gave, there is the line. It's just that I didn't trace. I missed one line. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, once we finish ironing for all, okay, now we're gonna open it up. Okay, the top part is done. All right, so for the bottom part, what do we do? Okay, you see when we open up, okay, this is the stitch outside. Yeah, this is the right side. This is where you top stitch. Okay, this is where the fold is. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to hold this. All right, fold it. You see this line, right? 90 degrees. You're going to fold the two lines, let the two meet like this. Okay, so basically 90 degrees, you're going to fold it this way where they meet each other like that, and they become one line. Okay, now you have this. Okay, we are going to sew 1 cm seam allowance. Okay, according to our image. I mean, on the other side we did draw, you see, on the other side we did trace, so there is like lines that you're able to see. Okay, so I'm going to sew. So same thing I'm going to do the other side as well. All right, you see this, correct? So I'm going to see this, correct? Okay, this is the right side. Okay, I'm going to fold it, right side facing right side. Okay, and then I'm going to pin this. Okay, so basically, all right, it will be like this. Okay, so I have to go and sew this first. Okay, I don't know if you guys understand the concept. Let me show it again. All right, so basically this is the right side of the fabric, correct, where my top stitch was done. My top stitch was done here. Okay, this is the double folded one, wrong side. This is the right side. Okay, so basically when you have this 90 degrees, right side facing right side, right side facing right side. Okay, this is the right side, correct? Fold it, let them meet each other, align them nicely. Right, align them nicely. Okay, and then you pin it up, and then you sew 1 cm seam allowance at this point, from this angle to this angle. Okay, let's go to the machine. Yeah, that's for the both side. Okay, now I'm gonna put it under the sewing machine. Alright, and I'm gonna start sewing 1 cm seam allowance. Yeah, class, remember to do reverse stitch. Okay, remember the other side also you need to do the same. The other side is here. Alright, okay, I'm going to pin it upside down the other way. I'm going to mark my point, because I can see the guidelines, you know. Now I'm sewing according to the guideline, which is, I don't know, 0.1 cm more than the 1 cm. Okay, let me continue. Finish it. Alright, so I'm done. So when you're done, it will be like this. Okay, let's flip it, make it like a box. Okay, you see, it becomes like a box, correct? And then it turn around, becomes like a box. Okay, so the edgy, the sharp area, all we put out already. Now we are going to, because just now we already folded already, remember? We folded, so we folded in. Okay, so now we are going to place this on our A4 size fabric. Okay, and then as previously marked, remember, from the bottom of the fabric 2 inch. Okay, I'm just going to do marking. You can do a cross marking. I think I'm just going to draw a line for me. Okay, once I'm done, find the middle point and land this sewing here. Okay, so just give me a minute while I arrange this. Okay, first I'm going to pin this first without the A4 size fabric. I'm just going to pin at the edge here. I will let this flip open anyways, because later I'll be sewing my top stitch here. Okay, alright, let me do this. Same goes the other ways as well, all the other sides. Okay, once you found all this point, you know, you pin the pockets together to get the pocket shape. Alright, I'm gonna put it on top of the 2 inch that I found. Alright, okay, I'm going to place them nicely up here. Make sure it's in the middle. Okay, and then nicely place this. So when I place this, I'm going to pin the pins down. Alright, so something like that, because I do have my, okay, okay, so pin it to the places, pin it to the places. Okay, so you see I've pinned everything. Okay, same thing, I'll go up from here and have the triangle shape before I do the whole top stitch thing. Let's go to my machine. I'll show you guys demo. I think I have to remove this pin. Remember to do reverse stitch. Okay, needles down when you're turning your fabric. Okay, and remember we are going to do top stitch all the way long. Doing top stitch here, corner, because you're going to do top stitch on the other fabric. Remember to move. Okay, all the pins can move out. Still, when it comes to the corner, remember, flip and flip this to this side. Okay, once you've done, continue the stitch. Oh. Ouch. And then turn into right, and then turn back to make the triangle shape. Remember to do reverse stitch. Okay, once you're done, you can take your foot up and then we can release. Okay, once you're done, it's gonna look something like this. Alright, so if you look at this, it's all okay sewed, and then once you go down, you can iron it. Okay, so basically it will be hidden like this. Okay, so unless you flip the pocket, you put some stuff in, then only it will open up. You see? Okay, accordion pocket. Alright, so now we flip it and put it back. Okay, now we fold and put it back. Alright class, so remember to label accordion pocket down there. Okay, we're done with accordion pocket. The back will look like this, just that simple. Okay.